Hello and welcome back to another episode of What's in Store Fridays. My name is Mark Cockrell and I'm with the Culture and Heritage Museums. Today I'm going to show you how to make a really good praline toffee topping to go on a store-bought pumpkin pie. We sell Griff's Toffee in the store. It's a family-owned business and they're out of Chapel Hill, North Carolina. And they make really delicious toffee, but I'm going to show you how you can also use it to top this pie. All right, so what you'll need is and I've got this recipe on the blog, so I hope you go visit the blog and leave me a comment what kind of pies you like best. But what you're going to need is brown sugar, salt, and butter. And you're going to pour it all into your pan. And you're going to put 3 tablespoons of heavy cream. Put it in your pot, and you want to bring it to a boil on the stove, and you want to cook that for 5 minutes. And it makes a nice thick praline topping. Take it off the stove. You want about 1.5 cups of chopped toffee. So just take your pieces. This is really good toffee, just like it is, but we're going to gild the lily. It's got that nice dark caramel color, and what you want to do, just working quickly, drop in your toffee, stir it up really quick. Okay, it starts to stiffen up pretty quick, so you need to work really quickly to get it onto your pumpkin pie. But I'm going to tell you what, this just takes it to a whole nother level. We sell 2 kinds in the store, the pecan toffee, which is what this is, and you've got your coffee toffee. It's great as is, but there's some recipes, and I'm going to put this recipe on the store blog. Have you here? I want to show you one other item. We had these custom-made candle plates. Catherine Petke, who does pottery here in Rock Hill, I had her make some of these plates that go with our battery operated candles, but they make a really great presentation. Great gift idea. You can buy the candle and the candle plate, and it's a little bit of Rock Hill pottery as well. So we hope you'll come into the store and visit us and see what we have. We have some new items coming in. All right, thank y'all. Visit our online store at chmuseums.myshopify.com.